Hi guys, welcome to ecomHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel and this is the part 5 of tutorial videos I'm making on how to create an e-commerce website with Shopify. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to add the brand content. If you are on the Shopify dashboard panel here, let me close all the unrelated tabs now. Here on the dashboard, if you go to settings, select brand. On the brand tab, you see here all the information is provided here, so compatible with these channels. So whatever information you add here will be helpful to display on online store as well as on shop page, or what we call is shop is the service provided by Shopify, which includes the Shopify payments, and they also provide their own specialized shop where people can view your products directly and pay directly on the shop profile itself and get the orders from there as well. So you can have a look by viewing your online store as well. Now essential things are includes default logo, square logo, colors, cover image, slogan, short description, and social links. Now what you have to do is scroll down, simply first add the logo. So this is the logo I have already added. If you want to add, simply click on add logo or click on this button. If you don't have a logo handy, you can always add the images and add from your desktop. In other sense, if you don't have a logo at all, you can always search for Canva, which is my go-to image editor and image creator tool. So on the Canva, just log in and then you can search for logos here, okay? And it will give you a bunch of the options to create the logo. So design a logo. You can either log in to save your work here, but there would be a lot of options here, which includes free and pro options. We are going with the free options only for now. So I'll select just this one, and I can change the skip to, I can change the text. So maybe Chickimicki, just imagine clothing business. Then you can add other things like clothing store or something like that. This is the logo created. If you want to change the colors, you can always change the colors from here. You can change the logo color from here as well. If you want to change any other logos, you can search for other logos like this one, replace current page, and you can, if you have donut shop, you can create the logo from directly from here from scratch. That's how you create the logo. Once you create the logo, simply share, click on share and download the logo. Download. Only issue with this one is it will not allow you to download a PNG file without background. File you download is including the white background. Just imagine. So I'm downloading this one. Of course, it will ask you to log in as well, but I don't want to log in. Now, let me open the logo here, which we created. So this is the logo we created. Now you see the background is white, it's still there. Now if I want to remove the background of the logo, you simply you search online saying like background remover, and there are a bunch of websites available which allows you to remove the background for free. Click on the first one, upload your image. This one image is being uploaded, and now you can see the background is removed. You can download the logo, download HD as well. You can download by just signing up, and that's how you have fresh logo which you can use for your website. Now once you created the logo here, you simply add images and add the logo. So let me add the logo. Let me search, go to desktop. This is the logo I want to add. Simply add. And once it's added, it will show up. You can click and add here. Done. Once you're done, it adds up. Now add square logo. I want to add the square logo. This is the square logo. Make sure you have multiple variants handy. The primary color, I want to use my primary color as FFE1DC. As I explained in previous videos, make sure you have your primary and secondary colors handy. 0011D2. Okay, and secondary color I don't want to add for now. Cover image, although I don't have image handy, but I can select from any of the pictures I already have, like this one. I don't want to add right now, but in your case you can add the cover image whenever you can. You can add the slogan for your website, like I don't know what to write, but I'm just creating the slogan like where quality meets the affordability or something like that. Short description. Cheeky Mickey is the Melbourne-based clothing or something like that. Okay. You can add more. You have up to 150 letters. And you also add the social links. So that's all you add from here. So now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to create the policy pages of your website. So stay tuned, check out the link for the next video in the description as well. And hope to see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, comment me in comment box if you have any questions or suggestions, hit thumbs up. It will encourage me to make more videos. See you in next video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.